hard to be an educator. Keelan has talked about this. I've probably talked about it. It is hard to trade and educate at the same time and run a business on the side, right? We're running a business here. This is an education company. If you don't know that, I'm not sure where you've been. If you're in here, you know what we do here. We're an education company. We teach you how to trade the way that we trade. Doesn't mean we teach you the only way to trade. We teach you how we trade. So many traders are struggling. We just have a method that we use that works. So we teach it to you. And we have multiple methods that we use, and we have software and courses and whatever to help you achieve that goal of being profitable. So trying to educate and answer emails and do back office work here for accounts and all kinds of things that we have to do here as a business, as an education company, that dips into your trading abilities, right? I don't have a whole lot of time to focus on my trading, otherwise that I might have, if that's all I was doing, right? But I have a passion for teaching traders. I like doing it, and anyone who thinks they're going to get wealthy off of one income stream is delusional. You want to be wealthy, you need multiple streams of income. So traders, people ask, why do you teach? Why don't you just trade? If you're so good at trading, or if you teach, you're not good at trading, things like that. I'd say, okay, so LeBron James, coach in basketball, he'd make a great player, right? Well, no, probably not. Maybe he was at one point, and maybe he won't make a good player because he's got a bum knee. Does that mean he doesn't know how to coach LeBron James or coach his team or whatever? No. Or an Olympic guy, right? Usain Bolt's the only one I can think of at the moment, right? Fast dude, runs like crazy. Does that mean he doesn't need a trainer and he doesn't need a coach? Does that mean his trainer and coach have to be the best athlete, the Olympic athlete, to train and teach him? Well, no. Nobody would say that. So anyone who says the same thing about trading is ridiculous. Doesn't make any sense. All right, you guys with me? If you teach, that means you can't trade. Well, maybe I can't trade, but that doesn't mean I can't teach you, right? Obviously, that's not true. We can't trade here. Not even at a basic level to teach you to be profitable. That's ridiculous. But you guys get what I'm saying, right? Just because you teach doesn't mean you can't trade, and it doesn't mean you can't teach someone else. And if you're able to do both, then I'd say that's the best. If you can, now it's not like we're athletic here. We don't need to run in the Olympics to prove that. We're able to trade from a computer desk, which is much easier, right? So hopefully you guys get what I'm saying, though. Okay. As an educator and as a teacher and a trainer, our trading suffers in terms of putting more time in and maybe improving on things that we would otherwise want to do that we don't have time for, or wanting to trade other things that we don't have time to trade. All kinds of things. But you settle into where you're comfortable, just like you guys should, and to what you're able to trade that fits your life. That's important. No matter what your life is or what it's like, you have to be able to accommodate your trading into it. And if you can accommodate your life around some of your trading, then that's good too. If you can shift your schedule and do whatever it is you need to do to be able to be committed to your trading, then you should do it. But at some point you can only shift so far, and at some point you have to merge the two together. You have to find what works for you in your life and your trading, and what works in your life for your trading, right? You have to kind of mix them together until you find a schedule and something that works for you and that's comfortable for you. Until you find that, it's going to be a little difficult to do either. You'll end up doing too much trading, not enough attention on your life. If you've got kids, family, whatever. Or the other way, you spend a lot of time on your life because you're very busy doing whatever it is you do, and trading might suffer. Especially if you're trying to do things that you can't do. Like if I have a 9-to-5 job or an 8-to-3 job or 4, whatever it is, and I'm busy and I don't have a computer in front of me, probably should not day trade, right? I'm busy working. I can't do that. I can't day trade. I don't have 3 to 4 hours to kill in the morning. I have to go to work. Well, that makes you a swing trader. So hopefully you guys understand what I'm getting at here. You have to accommodate your life and your trading together. They have to make sense together. And if they don't, one of them or both is going to suffer. And as trainers here, our trading is again, it suffers some on a personal level. Now we do a whole lot of stuff to help you guys, so that part doesn't suffer. And along the way, we find some great improvements of our own trading as we're trying to improve our services to you. So I don't know what all that was about, but I felt like talking about it. So hopefully you guys are having a great Friday. Hope you have a great weekend as well. It is at the end of the week here, so we'll be signing off for the weekend very soon. So until then, guys, until Monday, be great, be professional traders. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you on Monday.